In this one, I'll show you how to add ripples to a logo or text. You can make it for any other object. We'll use Dynamic Paint to make it. So first, select this cube X, delete. Now Shift A, add a text. Go in properties of this text, make it in the center. In geometry, hold Shift and extrude it. This one we will make it maybe in 0.1 because we were using Dynamic Paint, so it's better to make it bigger. Now hold Shift and add a little depth to this text. Hit Tab and hit any logo you want. So for me, I make it in ripples. Hit Tab to close. Now go in font and change this font. I chose a bold one, so I select this area black. Okay, now right click, convert this text to mesh. Now we must add another object to interact with this text to make ripples. So go and select UV sphere. You can select any object you want. S to scale it up. We want it to be above, so G, Y, and I make it here. Now let's make this animation. So select the sphere, G, X, and make it here. Make sure that you are in frame 1 and go here in location of this sphere, right click, insert keyframe. Now go in the end, I select 250 for this tutorial and move it here. Right click, insert keyframe. So our animation will be like this. But we don't want it to be like this, so GY, GZ up. We want it just to flirt with this text. Now go in frame 250, GZ up, right click, replace a keyframe. Okay, now select this logo, go in physics, in Dynamic Paint, select canvas, and here in paint, change it to waves. Now select the sphere, in Dynamic Paint, select brush and add a brush. Now if I play, now you have ripples, but it's not good because the topology of this logo, it's not good. If I go, I selected and I go in wireframe, as you can see, the geometry is not good. To fix that, go in modifier, add modifier, in generate, select remesh. Go in sharp, disable this and increase the number here. So I make it in 9. Now if I go, we have a better geometry. Maybe I make it in 10. I apply this, right click, shade smooth. Now let's play this animation. As you can see, it's slow because we don't bake this animation. So I stop the animation, I go back. Now go in physics, in cache. As you can see, we can't bake this animation. Why? Because we must save this project. So Control S and save your project, give it a name, maybe ripples, and save it. Now we can bake the animation. So it's taking a time because I make it in 250. So if I bake this animation, no. So I think it's not will be taking a long time to bake this animation. It's good if you have a slow computer. We wait a little. Now it's finished. Now if I play, you have these ripples in this text. Control Alt numpad 0 to activate the camera and choose your angle, the angle that you want. I select the camera and they go in these properties and they make it maybe in 16 millimeters. Now we can zoom and make it bigger. It's nice to look. Okay, now I add a plane, S to scale it up. Now here in this window I make it just for the render view. So hit Z and go in a render view. Now you can see, now GZ down this plane. I make it GZ. Okay. Now for this sphere, we disable it. We don't want it to. We don't want to see it in the final render. Now right click here and select horizontal split. I change this window to shader editor. Select the plane, hit new, decrease the roughness, change the color. I make it like this. Now select the text, hit new, hit X, we delete this, Shift A and search for glass BSDF. I connect it like this. Roughness, maybe I make it in 0.1 and here make it in 1.333. It's a water index. Now maybe okay, we change it, we make it a little blue like this. Now I add a light, area light. The light that you see here, it's from the HDRI. GZ up. Go in properties of this light, make it in a rectangle, decrease in y-axis and make it bigger in x-axis. Now you can add more power, and if you don't want to see the shadow of this area light, go in visibility and in check glossy. So if I go in a render to render just one image to see how look as our image, so I render this image. So I think it's good. This is how to add ripples to your text or your logo. So I hope that you like this tutorial. If you want me to make more tutorials like this, please let me know in the comment and support your channel. That's it. So see you in the next video.